It's like when they turn on the floodlights, only it's very different. Just when we thought the beautiful game had turned its back on where it came from, the narrow streets, the two up, two downs, the high rises, the five-a-sides and rough concrete, and that there weren't many heroes left, mainly millionaires with lucrative sponsorship deals who live in a different world to the rest of us. Along comes someone like Marcus Rashford, 22 years of age, graduate himself of free school meals and soup kitchens, gifted striker on the field, fearless defender off the field, comforter of bomb victims, helper of the homeless, fundraiser to fight COVID-19, learner of sign language to be a judge in a poetry competition for deaf children, powerful advocate of Black Lives Matter, campaigner against food waste and for free school meals for hungry children. It's like when they turn on the floodlights, only it's very different.